Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show a TEMU order that I've had in a box with other paintings. So I've just grabbed 5 of them at a time, and I decided to show these paintings because I really like TEMU paintings. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the show. So they're random sizes. I believe they're 3 20 by 20s and the others are 20 by 30s, but we'll find out together. So the first one I want to show is this, and I remembered this painting when I pulled it out because I saw the blue, and yeah, it clicked in my head. I was like, oh, I know what it is. And once you open, in case you're new to diamond painting, once you've opened the painting, they usually come with a set of diamonds for the painting and a standard kit. And the standard kit is just a tray, a wax, and a pen. And all you would do is pour the diamonds of whichever color you're working on into the tray. And as you can see, the lines there on the tray separates them and keep them straight up so you can pick them up with the pen. And with the pen, all you would do is kind of poke it into the wax. Of course, the wax has a plastic film, so you have to make sure to pick it up. Once you poke the pen in there, the wax stays on the tip. Poke it on the diamond, put it on the painting, and voila! He's officially started diamond painting. So in case you ever lose one, don't worry, your next painting will probably have one as well. And these are the diamonds. Oh, came with a little piece of plastic there. And oh, that's really neat. That's only happened to me once. They put the sticker of the actual painting number on it, and that's handwriting, that's not typed. I've seen it before. First time I saw it, I was like, whoa, what is that? And then it clicked in my head, oh, it's to the painting. Usually they have them printed on the packaging packet itself. And yeah, these are the colors for it. I love that blue. Random pink there. Oh no, I love this blue. You know what? I love all the blues. How about that? Blue is my favorite color, so anything blue, I'm really happy with it. So let me put the diamonds aside real quick. And this is the painting. It is it is a cat looking up to the moon, and it's surrounded by snow. And it's so pretty. I really loved when I saw this image. Like I said, once I saw the blue color, it clicked in my head. Oh, I know which one it is. It's the cat looking at the moon. And oh, the moon is so pretty as well. Oh, I really love this painting. And some information about the painting. It is WZ1694 and is a 20 by 20, and it is 14 colors. Yeah, this is a really good size if you ever just want to do a quick little painting on the side, you know, just to help you relax. Or you just want, you know, a new piece of art on the wall. The little 20 by 20s are really quick and easy to start with, especially if you're new to diamond painting. This size I do recommend to start with because it'll kind of assist you on getting the ball rolling. So if you decide to, you know, try to make bigger ones, at least you have one completed. And I'll put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see the picture more clearly if it's a painting you might be interested in. So I'm just going to put it aside real quick. And this is the next painting. And this one as well, I remembered it because I love the dark blue on it. And same thing, standard kit. And it might be different for this one is in a Ziploc bag, but each paintings have different kind of bags that are holding the kit. So it doesn't matter. It's still a standard. It's just a little more fancier because it has a Ziploc bag. And these are the diamonds. Oh my goodness. I really like these dark tones. You can see them here at the bottom. And oh, yep, a whole bunch of blues. Oh, those are really dark blue. Oh, I really like these colors. Oh, they're really nice. And this is the painting. It is a dark blue rose. Pretty much set, I believe, on ice, I believe. And yeah, it's a little darker. It might be a little hard to see on screen, but let me see if I can angle it a little bit. And yeah, there you go. That looks a little better. It's a rose, and it's its little dark shadow. And in the back, I believe it's ice in the background. In person, that's what it looks like. And on camera, I believe it looks like that as well. I'm a big fan of this image because I love roses. I love blue. Best of both combos. And there you go. I have my painting. Some information about this painting. It is W040, and it is 20 by 20. And it is 16 colors. Huh. I'm assuming it's all the different light tones of blue. That maybe might be a little less number of diamonds, since it's pretty much one dark color in the middle, but I guess a little more because of the lighter tones on the side. I really do like that. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen, just so you can see it more clearly if it's a painting you might be interested in. So I'm going to move this aside real quick. And this is the next painting. And this one, I kind of do remember it, but then I kind of do not. I'll explain why in a moment. And yeah, standard kit. And these are the diamonds. The first color I saw was this really, really pretty dark teal. I love that. And yay, it's in Ziploc bags. I love it when they pack them in Ziploc bags. And don't get me wrong, I like the little sachets. Oh goodness, I always have a hard time saying that word. That you have to cut open, but I just love Ziploc bags. So, and for me, they're a little easier to pour out for myself, but to each their own. And oh my goodness, look at all these colors. Oh, I love that blue and this really, really nice dark kind of brick red. Oh man, these are really nice range. Ooh, I like this a lot. And this is the painting. Let me see if I can get it to go out a little bit. And there we go. Yeah, this one I'm going to have to lift the plastic real quick. And I'm lifting the plastic for, it kind of assists on straining out the painting. For me, in my experience, because I've done it to a lot of paintings, it really does help. And all you would do is lift it, make sure you don't touch any of the sticky part of the painting. Lay it back down. Oops, sorry about that. My diamond over here is catching in my way. And I would just lift it again on the other side. As well, just do not, the whole painting's sticky, so just make sure you don't touch it. And just lay it back. And there you go. Strained it up a little bit. You can always do other tricks as well, or myself, after I'm done presenting them, I put them in a portfolio. So after a while, until I see the painting, I'm like, ooh, I want to work on that one. It's already strained out because it's flattened by all the pages in the portfolio. Sorry about that tangent. And this is the painting. It's a blue sky with kind of these little swirls. It's a little bit more, I believe, an artistic style, because this little swirl here, I believe might be the moon or anything like that. And this is just a little streak of light in the middle with all these little dots highlighting the light. There's a couple trees in the background. The ground has a bunch of snow. Oh, so pretty. And the random trees in the hills and a castle at the bottom. I really like this image because when I saw it online, it's just so pretty. I love the colors and I just love the style of it. Oh, this is such a pretty painting. And some information about the painting. It is WZ1718 and it is 20 by 30 and it is 15 colors. Oh, I see this really pretty oceany blue here. I can't wait to do this painting. I really like these colors. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly if it's a painting you might be interested in. I'm going to put it aside real quick. And this is the next one. Oh, I really thought I had more 20 by 20s, but I guess not. Unless the last one. Oh, no, I lied. There is a 20-ish one. And it's the last painting. And this is the next one I'm going to open. Same thing, standard kit. And, oh, it's my lucky day today. Another one in Ziploc bags. Yeah, maybe I should buy a lotto ticket. And, yeah, same thing. Oh, my goodness, I love these colors. They make me think of a really kind of fall kind of tone. I love this light peach, the blue. I'm looking at you again, brick red. And it's just so pretty. I really like these colors. And this is the painting. And I honestly did forget about this one until, oops, sorry, let me move that out of the way. Until I saw it was a piano. And then it clicked in my head, oh, I remember this one. Because it has such a vintage look to it. As you can see with the piano, flowers decorated on top. Same thing with the floor, random rose on the floor. I don't know why it's there. Patio doors and the outside is such a pretty image. And I just love the piano. And I love that they have the sheet music on it. So kind of gives the illusion that somebody was practicing on this piano. I really love this image. And yeah, so some information about the painting. It is WZ1711 and it is 20 by 30 and it is 15 colors. I believe the majority of it might be the piano, but that is a pretty good set of colors considering how large the piano is and how horizontal the image is. I thought it would have been a little bit more, but I'm not picky. Lesser number of diamonds, a little faster I can finish it. Oh my goodness, this one is so pretty. I cannot wait to complete this one. I can already see this one on my wall. And as well, I'll make sure to put an image here in the middle of the screen so you can see it more clearly. If it's an image you might be interested in purchasing. Oh my goodness, I really like this one. And let me put it aside real quick. Oops, sorry about that. I dropped something, sorry. And this is the last painting. And this one, I have this one in a large size, and I'll explain in a moment. Same thing, standard kit. As I said, they're always going to come back to. And these are the diamonds. Oh, I love that blue. And there's a nice kind of caramel color. I like that color a lot. And oh my goodness, that is really orange. I've never really seen this bright orange. Not in TEMU paintings. I hadn't seen this color before. And in the middle, you can see there's a nice little pink tone, a little couple dark blues, some grays. I'm really curious what this orange is going to go to. That is such a nice color. And this is the image. And it's, I know it's from a painting. I apologize. I really don't remember it. It's something Great Wave, and I do apologize if I'm totally off. I'm sorry about that. But I love the image. I've seen the original painting before, so I'm a big fan of it. And when I saw that this one's a little smaller, but I really loved the kind of artist, I guess, their version of it, because the original painting that I remember, I don't remember it having so many oranges. But it's such a beautiful painting. I just had to have it. And I actually have this image in a larger one. I believe it was a 40 by 40. When I saw they had a smaller one, I had to pick it up too. Because as I said, it's a faster project to do. And it's just so pretty. I love the sun in the background. The little orange tones in the waves. And the wave itself. Oh, that is such a pretty effect. And the random birds. No, it's not a bird. Sorry, it's a branch. I don't know why. To me, it looked like birds. So I really looked at it. It's a branch of flowers, and this is so pretty. I just love the colors on this painting. And now I know where the orange goes. And some information for this painting. It is NF140 and it is 20 by 25 and it is 14 colors. Oh my goodness, I know a majority of it is the pink, but I kind of like it. I like how it all contrasts really well. And yeah, so that is the last painting that I have to show today. And I'm really thrown by this one. I really like the colors of it. And hope you enjoyed these paintings as well. Again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. We are the last time I saw, we were about 5 away of hitting 300. So I am so excited about that. And I'm just appreciative of everyone who watches any of these videos. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, all I can ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate that as well. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.